What's going on YouTube? Murderkiss is back here, bringing you guys another wonderful Prius POV video. And we just got off the highway, or I did at least. For everyone watching, I just got off the highway. Prius handles very well on the highway, got pretty good gas mileage. And we're just traveling back to my area, so thank you for everyone supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. Please smash that like button, subscribe if you have not already. My name is Murderkiss, and I'm just focusing on these POV videos. I really enjoy making them, and I like the way they turn out too. And I like the fact that I can talk about pretty much anything that I want to. Really helps me with, you know, just getting the vibe out there, if that makes sense. But we're out here just vibing. I'm gonna turn the AC on. The AC works really well in this car. Cup holders and other stuff. Let's get a little rip in here. Acceleration is definitely not like my BMW, but it's all right. I mean, if I floor it, it goes. Handling wise, this car handles pretty well for a front wheel drive car, and considering the price of this, it does handle, I think, in my opinion, it handles pretty well. Definitely not like swerving and stuff like that. Not that I encourage it, but BMW can swerve pretty easily. But this is more just economical, more your everyday car. This is a perfect daily, to be honest. Depending on your weather, I mean, if you live in a winter wonderland, then I don't recommend getting a Prius, because I actually hit the curb when it was snowing one time, and thankfully my dad's a mechanical engineer, and you know, he just fixed it in my driveway, but shout out to him. Oh, look at this. There's a guy with a motorcycle coming up. It's going pretty fast. But anyways, beautiful day. I mean, like, oh my goodness. It's been a beautiful day for the past couple days in my area. Yep, that's the guy I was talking about. Goodness gracious. That thing looks fast. That thing looks wicked fast. I wonder what it is. And I can't tell if that's a girl or a guy. I really can't tell. I mean, it could be either or, but I don't know. Shout out to that person, or whoever that person is, the girl or guy. But look at this guy flexing his E350 convertible. Man, that's a, for the price, I bet that's really worth it. I mean, the drop tops are awesome. I've driven in a couple, and they're really fun to drive. My friend actually has a C63S convertible. I'm trying to get him to do some YouTube videos with me, and hopefully that will look really pretty on my channel with the GoPro and stuff. Nothing beats like a good old Mercedes E-Class, man. I mean, those things are well built, well engineered. And they look good too. I mean, that one's the yeah, that one doesn't have the star on the hood, but it's still really good. Look at this Corvette right here. That thing is sick. It's not the new one, but it's got the carbon fiber wing on it, on the back. Man, that thing is sweet looking. Meaty tires too. Nice A6 right there too. Wow, so when we're at a stop like this, the car just shuts off. The AC is running. I mean, I'm very comfortable with the AC on. Ooh, Asian lady. But yeah, guys, and women, we've just been chilling. I mean, really, I've just been chilling, making these videos. Hopefully I can get these, you know, more and more viewership and stuff. I'm really trying to do this full time. that would be my dream, to do this full time. Just drive cars, talk, and, you know, have a good time. I'm really glad that I'm getting viewership too on my videos. Thank you to everyone that's, you know, watching and supporting. I mean, I really, really, really appreciate it. But right here, 52 miles an hour into this corner, I don't feel any grip or loss of grip or anything. I mean, not too crazy, but it's pretty planted. Maybe if I lowered it, it would be more planted. But right, I mean, this thing's completely stock. I don't think any modifications have happened to it. Let's go behind this Corvette. Let's see if he floors it, honestly. That'd be a nice. Let me put the window down. Yeah, guys, I got the camera on me on my head. I wonder what people are I know people are looking at me right now. Is he gonna rip it? Looks like he's like manual by the way he's going back, switching through the gears. I think that's a manual. I don't know. Well, this road's not the best road to floor it because there's a lot of cops on this road. There's a police station down the street. But like I said, guys, I've been having such a great time. Just, you know, just chilling, guys. Straight up chilling. He's going like 60. I mean, he's kind of pushing it a little bit. It's beautiful scenery, guys. I mean, this weather has been so wonderful. 84 degrees, a little cloudy. Not too crazy. I'm actually kind of glad with the area that I live in. I mean, besides some other things, this area is very, very, very pretty to look at. Hopefully I can get some vlogs soon of some travel. That's gonna be really epic. I'm trying to get my situation where I can go, you know, take a little trip, vlog it. Comment down below what you think about that. Comment down below what you guys want to see also. I mean, I can showcase some more POV footage or anything with the cars. I mean, anything too. I play video games. I might start posting some of that. I also do some fitness that I could show. Oh, there we go. Look at that quad exhaust. Yeah, that thing has to be a manual, just by the way he's pulling it. I'm gonna pull it with him too. That thing's sweet. But anyways, guys, please like this video if you've not already. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna, you know, not bore you guys, but this was a great video. Glad to have made it. Catch you guys soon. Peace.